Hey, it's Ecom Rebel, and in this video we're going to show you how to make $1,596 in 30 days with Builderall. Now, if you don't know what Builderall is, it's an alternative to Clickfunnels and Leadpages. Alright, so let's get into it. So, how do we make $1,596? So the first thing I'm going to tell you is about a funnel. What is a funnel? So a funnel, this is something that practically every business has, okay? They may not be aware that they have it, but this is what they have. Essentially, it's a way to acquire new prospects or leads, and then the second component is to convert those leads into buyers, okay? And the third one is to get those buyers to buy more and to buy more often. So to acquire new leads, you might, let's say you might give something away to get people to come in, or you might have some special, like you might do some advertising, some special offer, you attract people, and then to convert those leads, when they ring up or come in, you've got salespeople, and they talk to them and maybe make some offers to them or show them how to use the product, and they try and turn them into buyers. And then once they're actually a buyer, they try to get you to buy more. So at McDonald's, you see when you buy something, they say, do you want fries with that, or do you want upsize? So that's an example of getting to buy more. And then if they want also to buy more again, they might want to put you onto like a membership or something where they get you to come back, maybe a coupon to get you to come back and buy again. So this is what a funnel is, and every business has one, okay? So the importance of this next one is the acquisition funnels. This is the funnel you use when you want to get leads, okay? So let's say you need to turn cold prospects into leads. An example of this would be a free book, a free trial, or a free sample. So you've got a product or service and you're giving it away or something, you give something away of value to attract people into your offer. And then once you have their details, it might be that you have their phone number, you might have their email, you might have their address, or they might be in store and you can communicate with them or follow up with them. So once you bring them into your business, that's the acquisition funnel, and that's what I'm going to be talking about now. So let's have a look at the blueprint. Let's build a simple funnel. Alright, so let's check this out. So here's an example like of a simple funnel. How to start the business of your dreams while you make money with this most innovative system. So this is an example of a front end funnel. So let's have a look at, let's bring up the whiteboard. Alright, let's draw some stuff out here. So the first one, draw this little box, we'll draw another box, and one more. So what we're going to do here, this first one, let's say for example, this is going to be YouTube. This is like YouTube traffic. And then the next one, that's just going to say the front of your funnel. So let's say that's like an opt-in. And then in this one here, this is when people upgrade. So let's give an example. Now how this relates to making money with Builderall. Alright, so let's draw some little arrows in here. Let's check it out. So let's say you get some YouTube traffic, you do a video, for example, on YouTube, and then you put a link in there and it goes to the opt-in page. And then put this little arrow here. So when they go to the opt-in page, this is an example of, say, the opt-in page. They put in their details here and they press the button. Now that's basically the front of the funnel. Now what happens is you don't have to worry about the whole upgrade side of it, because this is something you may not be aware of. 20% of the people that opt in, 20%, okay, convert into paying customers, okay, and they pay roughly $49.90 per month, okay, so they've got a very high conversion rate, and all you got to do is get people into the opt-in, okay. So let's say you put 100 people into the opt-in, so you got 100 people to sign up on this page, which is pretty straightforward. Just put their name and email and create a password and press a button. So you put 100 in, 20% of those are going to upgrade. So what that means is it's going to be 20 people, and they're going to be paying, I'll just do, this is average, right? It's going to be a little bit less than this, but let's say it's about 20 times 50. So they'll be 20 times 50, and then that's what they call the first tier. So with Builderall, there's actually 2 tiers. The first tier is anyone that you sign up directly and that use the product and love it, and you get paid 100% commission. Let's write that down. You get paid 100% commission. So that first amount of money that they pay, you get that whole commission, okay, minus a couple of fees. So there's 20 times 50, all right? So you've got signed up 20 people at $50. Now also, because of the second tier, of those 20 people, let's say you have, like, I don't know, let's say 5 of them take some action and the other 15 don't do anything. Now, there's reasons why people don't do anything. You know, maybe they're lazy or they don't understand or whatever. But let's just say 5 people out of the 20 do something with it, and they do a video, or they do some Facebook advertising, or maybe they just put a post up on Facebook or tell their friends about it. And out of those 5 people, let's say they get probably 4 each. Okay, so 5 times 4, that equals another 20, okay? Now what's interesting is, on this second tier, because you've basically brought these 20 people in, anything that they do on this second level, you get paid for it, and you actually get paid 30%. So therefore, you get these other 20 people at, they're paying $50, so 30% of that is roughly 15. So you get 20 times 15. Okay, now it's getting a bit hard with the math. Let's just go straight to the calculator. So if we have 20, and then we have a total of 5 affiliates, and let's have a look here, and the number of sales they'll make each, let's say they only sell 4 each, so that's a total of 20. So as you can see, 20 and 20, which is here, we've got 20 here and 20 here. Now, have a look at the calculator. You can see that it's $998 up front, and then the monthly recurring, this is the magic thing, $598.80. That is the recurring figure you get. So you get not only the 20 from your direct ones that you do, but also 20 on your second tier. So that's what's the exciting part about Builderall. So this just gives you an example of how much you can make. Well, I mean, you can make a lot more. I mean, there's people making tens of thousands of dollars per month with Builderall. But I just wanted to show you the funnel of how it works. So essentially, you get traffic to your opt-in page, which is already done, already pre-built for you. And in fact, if you sign up through the link below, so have a look through the link below, this will get you to this page. Sign up, and once you sign up, you'll be able to get access to this page and put your details in it. Now, I've actually got, I'll just go back to the instructions to what to do next. So let's have a look here. So if we have a look at the step-by-step, okay, so the first thing is to get a free trial, okay, and it's not easy to get a free trial because normally you have to pay up front for this, which is the $49.90. So get the free trial, can't say it's going to last forever. Now the next thing is you need to promote your affiliate link. Now I've got all the details in there on how to do that, but essentially there's plenty of videos to watch, and also I can help you with that, not a problem at all. So any with the promotion and setting up and traffic, I can help you. So that you promote your affiliate link, and you expect that 20% to upgrade, okay? So going back to this little whiteboard here. So as you can see, if you put 100 people into this page, you'll expect if 100 people sign up, 20% of them are going to go for the paid option, and you'll be looking at 20 times 50. Now this is pretty incredible. So really it's just a matter, it's like a numbers game. So basically all you need to do is, by the time you get to 100, you're going to have these sort of numbers, okay? Now it could be much higher, it could be a little bit lower, depending on the type of traffic that you're sending to that page. But this is in general, these are the numbers you kind of expect. All right, so this is pretty incredible. This is how you get to that, you know, traffic. This is how you get to $1,596 in 30 days. So very simple to do and very repeatable. So check the link below. This is what it looks like, ecomrebel.com quick start, and that will take you to this page, and then all you need to do is sign up. And once you sign up, you'll get full access to the system. You can try it out for yourself. And to be honest with you, it is that simple. Once you set it up, you can start promoting it, and then you're going to have people join the system as well. And then instantly, as soon as they join, remember, you're going to get your roughly your $50 back instantly. Okay, so already it hasn't cost you anything, and then you're already making recurring income. That's how fantastic this two-tier system is. So if you've got any questions, comment below. If you haven't clicked the link, click the link below. And that would be awesome. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'll be doing some more videos on Builderall and the opportunities with it, because at the moment I build sales funnels all the time, and here's just a few of the sales funnels that are already in there that you can use, and you just click on them and you just modify them slightly, and you can just, there's a bunch in there. So already using this, producing sales with other products, and you know, that's why I love it. That's awesome stuff. Alright, that's all I've got for you today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the live notification button. And also, I love to hear your comments, so put your comments below if you have any questions. Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.